Hi, everyone. Welcome to module number 2 of our organizational behavior class. So we covered chapter 1. Now we're going to be moving on to chapter number 2, which talks about the changing environment of organizations. So this is a particularly relevant topic to what's going on in the past 4 years, ever since 2020, and how there is a much greater push within our society to look at and talk about things like diversity. And so the reason we bring that up is because diversity in the workplace is a really important thing. Why? Because having ideas from different people in different groups is really important to make the best possible decision out there. Because someone who lives born and raised in Scranton like myself is going to have a different thought process, going to have different thoughts and ideas than someone who was born and raised in a place like Australia, or born and raised in a place like India, or born and raised in a place like Brazil. There's going to be lots of differences between us because I have a different experience than them. They have a different experience than me. And so all three of us, in this example anyway, coming together, talking about and making good decisions as a team is going to have the best possible outcome for us, because I'm going to hear your opinions, you're going to hear mine, and we can try and figure out what the heck's going on and what the heck we should do. And that leads into globalization and looking at the world as a marketplace and seeing how different groups want different things. And so we need to change up our business strategies if we want to meet these other markets. If you want to expand just outside of the United States and you want to start selling to Germany or Italy or China or Australia or India or any of these other markets, you need to look at a plan differently for each of those, because they're all different, they're all separate, and they're all their own organization and entity. So we need to look at societal and cultural differences amongst people in order to make the best possible decisions. So that's what module number 2 is going to be about. So make sure you're doing your readings, your discussion posts, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me at any point. All right, thank you, and I'll see you in the next module.